Dude, it's been 30 minutes and we still haven't found parking.
I know, taking forever, probably running out of food. Guys, we'll be fine. There's plenty of parking and there's plenty of food.
Let's just ask this guy. Wait, what? Why is he dancing?
I don't know, but it's cool. It's parking everybody but us.
Oh, right there, right there.
Huh?
It's a freaking trash can.
No. I'm just playing.
Wait, go. Oh my God, we are never gonna find parking.
Yeah, I mean, there's other parking sites, you know, like Radford, Pearl Ridge, Elementary, just to name a few. What?